Okay, so we started with our beautiful beer batter on those fish goujons. We've made a wonderful Thai marinade. The fish is in the oven at the moment with that lovely goza. And now it's time for dessert, my favorite part of any meal. And we're using this beautiful Hawker's Stout. So there is nothing to be scared of on the dark side of beer. Stout's going to bring some lovely chocolate and coffee characters, and we're making chocolate cupcakes today using this stout. So firstly, we're going to put all of our dry ingredients together. So I've got some flour here, quite a bit of sugar. You need sugar for dessert, of course. Sugar goes in, some salt and some baking powder. We want these little babies to rise. And then we're going to add our cocoa in here as well. So we've whisked all of our dry ingredients together there. You can already smell that beautiful cocoa. And now it's time to put all of our wet ingredients together. So we're starting with some melted butter. Yum. Butter is flavor. A couple of eggs go in there as well. 2 eggs. Oh, I'm looking forward to these cupcakes. They're going to be amazing. We've got some beautiful vanilla paste, vanilla bean paste. So I always like to use real vanilla. I just think it adds so much more flavor to your cooking. Yum. And then finally, the beer, the most important ingredient. So we get a good splash of that beautiful stout in there, and we whisk that together as well. Okay, so we whisk all of our wet ingredients together. I've always been told not to over whisk, particularly eggs. It'll create a really nice light batter for our beautiful cupcakes. And then we have to combine the two. So we add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Start to mix those. While you're mixing, have a little sip of the beer that you're tasting and using. So chocolatey, it's beautiful, that stout. All right, so we've whisked our dry and our wet ingredients together. We have this beautiful, rich batter. Those wonderful stout flavors are now really mixed well through. And then we go into our little muffin patty cakes. I've chosen gingham today. I think they'll look quite pretty with the dark stout. So a nice big spoonful of batter into the patty cakes there. The oven's at 180 degrees, the magic number. Pretty much I cook everything at 180 degrees. And these, oh my gosh, they're smelling incredible. Okay, so these are now ready to go into the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. Just use your toothpick and check when it comes out clean. That's when they're ready to come out. So in they go. All right, the cupcakes are out of the oven. They're smelling amazing. We're going to ice them now. I've got some beautiful vanilla icing. I'm making mini stouts basically here. So just literally, we can just pipe this on. Oh, how good does that look? Yum. Icing's always the best part. Can be a little creative, just a little dollop in the middle there. Maybe do some little flowers. I love a piping bag. There we go. How pretty do they look? They are going to taste fantastic, especially when matched to a beautiful stout. So hopefully I've shown you just how easy it is to incorporate beer into your cooking. We've made 3 really simple dishes, but full of flavour with that little extra addition of the beer. But I'm out of here. I've got cupcakes, I've got stout. I'll see you at the Ariston Food and Drink Experience at GABS. Cheers.